Meteorologist Megan McClellan with your tropical weather update for Friday, June 28th, 2024. There are 3 different areas to talk about this morning. We're going to start with the one near the Gulf of Mexico. That has about a 30% chance of turning into something over the next 48 hours. But even if it doesn't turn into anything, it is going to bring heavy rains to Central America and Mexico. An Air Force team is expected to go to that area later on today to collect more data and give us more information. The second one I want to talk about is actually this other yellow X. Over the next 7 days, it has about a 20% chance of turning into something. Right now, it's very disorganized, and depending on what happens with this red X will impact this yellow X. So let's talk about this one now. This red system, it is looking like this could turn into something, especially over the next 48 hours. There's a 90% chance over the next 48 hours that this could become better defined. And it's even possible by later today, Friday, we could see this turn into a tropical depression or a tropical storm. Should that happen, we would see our second named storm of the season, and that would be Beryl, B-E-R-Y-L. Now, this is going to impact the Lesser Antilles, and once it starts to get to the islands and get a little bit closer to the Gulf of Mexico, that's where things get a little uncertain, and that's because we're so far out, and we also have a high pressure system in the Atlantic that is impacting this, so we're going to have to keep a close eye on this as we go through the weekend and into early next week. If you're traveling in those islands over the next week, just make sure that you're keeping a very close eye on the forecast. If you have travel insurance, just follow up on what that means, because as this becomes better defined and as it gets closer, we're going to have more information. Make sure you keep an eye on the forecast, and I will do my best to keep everyone updated as we get more information on all of these systems.